just finished fishing everything out of the water. Our food for the challenge consists of bagged food, and we each brought a personal bag. What's in yours, Carl?
Let's look at somebody else's.
You get the point.
You guys want to know what's crazy? We've barely seen any of this underground city. The walls that surround us are actually hiding a bunch of tunnels. There's even a chamber bigger than the one we're in now.
Where?
What?
However, what these guys don't know is that every single day, I'm bringing a famous YouTuber to help us explore these tunnels. But the more YouTubers that joined us, the deeper the city would fall into chaos.
You just got here!